Hey, what's up guys? 2019 Chevy Malibu. I got a tear in my center console lid. That's not chill. And you could buy like a little fabric cover on Amazon to just go over it, like a black one or something. I just got a whole new lid. It's right here. Here is the part number. GM 84591195. I'm gonna link it on Amazon if it's on there. I didn't see it initially, but I was going to look again later. So check the description for links. And then also for this job, all you're going to need is a plastic pry bar and then a Torx T25. Okay, so we're in the back seat. I'm going to take this, and then this panel will come off. What I do is I kind of go underneath and wiggle and push up. Wiggle and push up, you know, and then just pop this off. This has some clips. It also has like little plastic pegs, little towers, so be careful. It looks like that might be a part number for this as well. If you damage it, put that right there. And then this guy has to come off too. Now this has a cigarette lighter or aux power, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna pull this just straight back. We're gonna leave that connected. And kind of the same thing. You could take your pry bar and like kind of work a way around if you want. I'm gonna try to just do this. Oh yeah, just be real gentle. Be patient with the panels because you could break the side tabs real easy. So you know, no rage pulling or rage slamming. Okay, so here's the lid's right here, and then it has the bolts in the back right here, right here, right there, and right there. So we're gonna go ahead and use our Torx 25 to go ahead and get those off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I only dropped the last one. Oh shoot, spoke too soon. Okay, so don't lose these screws. Maybe I just kind of did it fast for the sake of recording because I'm trying to get this as quick as possible done. But maybe after you get them loosened, you take each one out and then go ahead and open it from the front like that and just slide it back, and then there you go, it's off. So we'll put our new one on after I find my screws. Hey guys, real quick, I know it's annoying, but if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel, that'll help me out a lot. I'm trying to reach 100k subs. It costs you nothing, it's free, and it helps me out quite a bit. I also got the hookup with AUXITO LED lights. They're the brightest, best LED lights in the game right now. I got a large 15% off promo code at the end of the video, so check that out. And last thing guys, I also got the hookup to Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company, made in America, all natural ingredients. Each bar has its own fragrance and manly smell. They even have bars that are extra gritty for mechanics. So check it out. Alright, back to the video. Alright guys, so make sure you got the screws. Now when we put the new one on, I'm just going to put the front lid part connected on. Go ahead and just connect that. That way I know it's you know, where it's supposed to be. And then this part, you could just put it up like this and get it onto the pegs, those little plastic pegs. That's what I'm talking about right there. And then with your two hands, put a couple of the screws in to hold this, you know, tension on here. That way we can put the other screws in. Got one in, and then it kind of just holds it in place. And we're going to put this one in, and then this one in. And once you got them in, we will tighten them down. This. Alright. Yeah, so after you got those in, we're gonna put this panel back up like here. Make sure these are lined up and these have all the metal little tabs on them. Is that the part number for this one too? The panel? Okay. Yeah, so just make sure these all have those little metal tabs on them. And then we'll just line it up, kind of push it in. Maybe give it a little hammer hand if you need to. And then we're gonna get our other piece. This guy right here. Just push him on like that. And then it's supposed to have a little hole like that. Then you'll be able to open it and then shut it, no problem. All right, so the only unprofessional part I had is when I just took the screws out and I let that spring just fling them up. So don't do that. When you take the screws out, maybe take your other hand and hold it down and then get them out and then let it come up slowly. Obviously I have a hand on the camera, so I can't be, I just let it happen, but I don't need to be blown up with, you know, 100 comments saying how that was a dumb move. I know it was. Anyways, guys, so that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap. They don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up, and these are available on Amazon as well. But if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar. It's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.